expert in socio-economy. Okay, you will know more. We will know you more over time, and you will know us also more. Okay? So, what is the purpose of this meeting now? As I said, under this research, what we need certain things that we talked about before, guys, right?
Yes.
One of them is taking the permission from the research council, right?
Yeah.
Which is you said you recommended.
It's necessary.
Okay. Sorry?
NISI. National.
Okay, permission. Okay, I will say permission. Okay, from the council. Okay. Now this council, they said now to Labrata, and it is as per research, per research or data collection. We are not interested in this now. When we want something specific, we'll go for that. We want general one, as SIAS now, as entity. This is now an entity which is registered in Rwanda. So we are not a foreigner. I read whatever you said about what you said. What you sent me is about someone coming from outside Rwanda collecting data. Right?
For collecting research.
Yes. In Rwanda, but from I think it's also written for experts, not expatriates, not Rwandans. There is maybe something for Rwanda. Remember, we went as an institute, permission from the council. Now we do general research. If we need special research, then we're going to ask them about it. Okay.
Yes.
Data collection. Let's say we decide, as you said, in healthcare, or in education, or maybe in a special community. Okay. Or about poverty, then we can go and ask them for data collection.
Yeah.
But now, generally, we want to publish a qualitative research, okay, which means that it is about, based on the observation, and this is an institute that always will publish research. That's what I wanted to go and explain to them. Maybe we need to go to them. I think better. Okay. Have you gone to them? To you guys? You didn't communicate.
No, I only emailed them.
Or you emailed them?
Yeah, but
Yes.
they didn't answer you, right?
Yes, they didn't.
Okay, so expected. So I think better Brata you go. Okay, I will pay for the transport, whatever you need for that. She can arrange for you. This can arrange for you. Now, عشان to know the role of Isa, I think we met him before. Did you meet Isa? Kuzera, Isa. Okay. So he's the head of the projects. Okay, so in case we need a project, let's say of do research. Well, what is our process usually, and see us what we are trying to do. We are supposed to do, we observe something. Okay, we observe an area where we need to do a research. Then we do research on that. Okay. Now, if we need to go for the field, that's something else. Okay. If we need to go for the field, then this is something else. Okay. Or we might do the opposite. We might come. That we did a project like now in Musanzi. Okay?
Okay.
We have a project in Musanzi for sweet potato. Okay? We want to see the impact of this project later, maybe after 6 months, after 1 year. We're just starting now. Okay? Then later, maybe this one we can take permission from here, right? But now, tell them this is a research center. They would like your blessing, your whatever, your permission, whatever they call it. Okay? We are now a research center. This is what we want it to be. So what is do we need anything? They need any information about us? You get that information. For example, about our library, about our staff, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And you can tell them that this organization is trying to get also a credit from the HIC for the PhD and master. Okay? So we need communicate with them. Because all our PhD and master students will be doing research also. Okay? So that's something that is important. Any comments from you guys? Okay. Now, what I agreed now with Liberata, and now we need to see today what she is suggesting for list, okay, of research that she think, based on her experience as a socio-economic, researcher, okay, and based on plus yes, what are the top 5 research? Okay, the top 5 we say, okay, the top 5 research that we need to focus on. right? Am I right now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So what are the top 5 research that you are suggesting?
So according to my experience, I try to propose
Open the windows. Yes,
topics.
right. What are the topics?
For example, you can conduct a research, socio-economic assessment among the youth on drug use.
Okay. So youth plus drug, I can say, right? Okay. Okay, what else? That's number 1. This is a sensitive issue, but no problem. Maybe later we can do. We don't want to start with strong research. You know, sensitive to the government and like this, you know. Many governments, they don't like to show in the youth, for example, their country have drugs. Okay,
Yes.
but anyway, that's maybe we can put it in our list. Okay, what else? It's a good idea, but not now. Yes. What is the second one?
So we will choose the area.
Okay, that's choosing the area. Will yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And that you can conduct a study about facilitating women to access the bank credit for business to see contribution in the increase of income household.
Okay. So women access
Women access
to credit.
to bank credit
Okay, to bank credit, and this is not again.
for business.
Okay, to bank credit to be entrepreneurs, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what is the third one?
Another, it is to see we can conduct a research about the contribution of renewable energy in the economic development, for example, in a refugee camp.
Okay. Okay, that's okay. What else?
Integration of women in the digital economy.
Okay, so integration of women. In digital economy. Okay. Last one.
Another,
Yes.
you can see the contribution of gender equality in increasing household income.
So the role of equality,
Gender equality.
gender, yeah. You know, equality. You can say it. Okay, equality. Okay, well, gender. Let's go gender.
In increasing household income.
Increasing income. Okay, of household. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I can tell you now, and I wanted you to calibrate you from the first day, like what happened. Otherwise, I think this room, we should call it, what we call it? We call it maybe,
Observation.
huh? Correction room.
Yeah,
Okay.
the
Intervention. Yeah, I wanted to hear from you that so that we make sure we are in the right direction. These all usually happen. These all I heard about them. I don't want to do any research that has been done before, or someone else can do, or the government is doing also. We want to do research relevant to our areas, which I explained to you in the morning. I listed for you the type of research. You should read that also, guys. Okay, remind me to send you, which is I said list of research, which is important for SIAS, for SIAS students and for us. Okay, so that one, this is the one that I need you to focus on, which is I listed to you today. They should be from that one.
So you can choose it
From that one, and we focus on that. But that one, first now we don't want any problem with the government. So the government, they think, oh, I'm a foreigner, I'm going to do studies on them. This mindset
Yeah.
is available. We do general studies. Okay. Better, which is the ones that I told you before. Okay. These are the ones that we focus on. Whatever we said now, we might integrate it later. And for example, youth and drug is important for us because we are a youth economy, and we'll say, for example, the general impact of drugs on youth. Okay, and the youth economy. We can do a general research, not a Rwanda research. Here it can be okay. Okay, so can we agree on that? Okay, we will do a general research about all over the world, how much youth are losing, or how much social economy is having problem because of drugs. Okay, this is something general, and we can compare different countries all over the world and so on. This one thing. This one, because we are against this concept, see, remember, inspiration economy, or we are economists calling for a new economy. Against financial based mindset. What you are saying here, so you are talking about the credit system, which means that people will go and try to accept credit, like the social banking, or what they call micro banks, micro start banks, okay, microfinancing. Okay, this is not our goal to study that now. Why? Because we are talking about many different. This one, many people have published paper about that. Okay, so this one, I would say it's not tied. This one, okay, maybe this one we can study for all over the world. Okay. Now we'll come to this one. Okay. Now your renewable energy for refugee camp, I heard about it. If it is not there, based on your research, you feel that they can do something about that, I don't mind. But I heard that there are lots of papers about that, whether from UN-related agencies or from even large NGOs. Okay. So this is another question that I have. Now here, integration of women in digital economy. Again, what? How come? What you want to say here? Digital economy. Maybe it will be interesting. So I need here more information. So this one I need more information. This one I need more information. Okay. Role equality, gender is not our area. This is I don't want to go into this equality, gender related issues because many people are doing that work, not our specialty. Okay. So we wanted to focus on this and this. Beside the themes I gave you in the morning. Okay. And tomorrow we have not tomorrow we are coming on Monday.
Tomorrow will not come.
Today, Saturday I expect from you tomorrow the PPT because now high probability and we are going to do the workshop. Your PPT means PowerPoint. Okay. We have a workshop on Wednesday. We have to be. I have to see your slides so that I decide also what my contribution and we arrange the workshop. Yeah. And how long you're gonna be talking? Because based on that I can.
But it will be on Thursday.
Huh?
Workshop will be on Thursday.
The workshop will be on Thursday. Yes. Okay. Any questions regarding today? Anything else that you have? You felt you needed some questions or anything?
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm still reading
Okay.
those documents from the National Council for Research.
Okay. Okay. And I suggest that you make sure, for example, on Monday after we agree on you go directly to them. On Monday. Based on you tell them what you are required if this is an institution that's going to do research, okay? And they will have tomorrow, for example, in case we are accredited, we're going to have PhD and master students. Do they need anything from us? Okay, knowing that we know if it is sensitive issue or anything related to data collection, we will ask them for permission. Now we need only general permission as CS. Okay. That's what
we need that permission.
General, yes.
Yeah, and once you have to conduct a research, we want to get
another one.
Statistic.
Yes.
They check if the research is not a similar research conducted before.
Okay, fine. But I know I want this one. I'm interested now in this one. Okay, this is our one. Okay.
You can see the requirements and
Okay.
start.
Okay, so Saturday, I mean Monday, you can go direct and you can arrange with her, she can arrange for you the transport. Okay, and you go direct to them, and then come to here, so that we are clear, so that we can, because this is an important area for us. Okay.
I called someone from there.
Okay.
It is one who indicated me that website. But also you can be there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, Lisa can take photo of this and shall I remember the person?
Around page 90, I didn't get it. So 90, between 1995, the slanting. Yeah,
Outside?
Yeah,
No,
slanting.
No, it's with the TV.
Oh, it's
problem.
the
So
TV.
you arrange it now.
Okay, so that was so modern. Also, for the examples, I'd advise you broaden. For instance, what CSC have done so far, try to broaden. Don't just, okay, as much as you're being brief, try and broaden on the, that will drive the point to maybe to the people you will be presenting to. So the examples will make it more lively. So yeah, also on the
I have these, what comments nice. I have them and if they give us time, I open that, especially that file that shows our workshop.
yeah, that will be more
Yes.
to drive the point.
Yes.
Yeah. Also on the topic, just saying CS presentation to them, I think it's a bit flat. For me, I would suggest maybe CS academic presentation to them or CS.
If you don't ask, tell me, give me hints, I will ask.
Actually, I think you should remove that link.
Serious?
Yeah.
Now I dedicated for him for sure. This is, يعني احنا we want to show them it's for
لا لا see for me make it CS presentation then in brackets heck visit and the dates and the week
Okay, suggestion.
like this is the
Write it
event
down in the group now.
and that's the title.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so that's from my end.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. They make sure tomorrow that the Wi-Fi is very important for them.
Yeah.
That's what Sylvester was saying. I think tomorrow it will depend on the weather. But if you felt that the weather is warm, and it's above, let's say, 24 degrees, then is explaining to me about our accounts. This is what you call charter account.
Yes, chart of accounts.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have the banks, we have the petty cash, we have the account receivables, we have everything we need for the our chart of accounts.
Okay.
So this one we need to agree on it because it will be the very important tool for reporting even in the future. Once we fix this one, we will not change it. We
Yes.
may add accounts, but we may not
Remove.
one.
Okay. Okay. Herwa, come عشان also you follow this. Yeah, also, I've been telling to Khadija, since you are, hi Khadija, gone now, but I used to tell her, when you write something, يعني for example she write for example books
Yeah.
but she not write the proper spelling or she not write books she write book instead of books for example.
Yeah.
This all makes a difference, right, for you?
Yeah.
I mean the data entry should teach them what type of keywords they use.
Yeah.
Because it's easier for you, for example, to know how much we spent on catering, how much we spent in, cleaning, how much we spent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, every kind of expenses has its own code.
Okay.
Like this is balance sheet accounts up to here. Then we start income statement account, expenses account. We have categories. We have salaries. Among salaries, I've tried to include. Maybe we shall have expatriate staff. So that will be recorded separately. Local staff, RSSB pension.
Bring your chair here.
Maternity leave. This is the.
خلاص يا Ernest, come out. Chance you want to sit.
Yeah,
Okay.
like for staff salaries. We have a.
خلاص, come on, my friend. And just remove this one. Put it back there.
Yeah, like for.
Ernest, I told you, make sure that they are closed, okay?
Yes.
I don't want at any time they are open. Okay, okay, sorry.
Yeah. Like for staff salaries, we have expatriate, we have a local staff, we have a RSSB pension, we have a maternity, we have a DC mutuelle, we have a health expenses. We have a health expenses, we have appreciation, we have a wages. Wage, this is casual labor. That's mean any single money we pay for, like for,
Yes.
we pay for cleaning, for what? This is small amounts will come here. Then I've created another called professionals. Here, contract services expenses.
Like the one with the Sylvester.
Yes. We have legal fees, we have accounting, like those guys. We have consultants, that is Sylvester maybe. We have a survey, because survey firms.
These numbers are dummy, right?
No, these are
codes.
These are codes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, these are codes. Then we have I was thinking we may hire like a firms for surveys if you are doing consultants. Have professional translations if you need to know.
Okay, this is all expenses, but what about income? It will be here also
income
in the future, inshallah.
No, we have. Let me go up.
Okay.
For income. Okay, revenue from data. Here we have said tuition fees. We have a grant and revenue. We have income from project. We
Okay,
have
good.
income from research.
Yes.
Then other income.
Okay.
If you have anything, you can add.
Okay, good.
You can.
These are the main ones.
Okay. Yeah.
And when we say other income, we can write a reason somewhere, right?
No, actually, this is an account, but details of every transaction will come with those explanations.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now, what you expect from me? Okay, I of course you're gonna show me now. This is strategic.
Yeah.
But now what I'm doing, I'm putting whatever I pay, I put in the group. Is this okay, or you want someone else?
Yeah,
to
let me
to-
explain everything I have prepared.
Okay.
So this is the chart of accounts. Everything I have prepared, like for office equipment.
Yes.
I know office running costs. We have office supplies, small equipment. All equipments will not be considered as assets.
Okay.
You see, we need to fix an amount here, saying any asset we buy
Less than like this, $50 for example.
$50. That's when we agree. Telephone and communication. This is communication fees, stationery and photocopying, postage and shipping if we send, printing, meals, other office expenses. So we come here, we go to facility and equipment. We have rent if you need to rent. Water and electricity, this is utilities.
Yeah, okay.
We have office repairs and maintenance. This one is for, like anything you shall do for this office from now, it will be considered as an expense. But the ones we have done when we were renovating it,
Renovation.
it will not come here, it will go to the renovation.
Okay.
And it will not
When
come.
is the cut for the renovation? Can we keep it in April or you mean till September? We need to close the
Yeah.
chapter for renovation
Yeah.
for sure. Yes.
Then you have equipment repairs. Let's say computer is broken, security, cleaning services, software. I put this because I saw you bought like this financial software, but I need to see the cost of it.
Yes.
Then depreciation, account.
It was one package, but you can divide it maybe if you want.
Yeah.
And this one, the financial. Yeah, you mean this software? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have a receipt for that, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any software shall.
This one from the Indians, it have a receipt. We have a receipt for that.
Yeah. Any software shall buy it will come to this account. Then the details we separate them.
Okay.
Then you have travel expenses. You have airfare. This is international travels. You have lodging. We have meals while traveling. We have ground.
And now one of the problems for international travel is that we buy most of our tickets from our country, not from here, which means without EBM.
No, international. That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
Because tickets can be bought from
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
okay.
Then you have grounded transportation. Let's say.
So, by the way, this is major expense.
Yeah, these are
The
major
airline,
expenses.
frankly, even why I'm not traveling now, then my travel costs a lot.
Yeah.
Because I go to business, class like this, it costs a lot.
Yeah.
So for that, I'm saying that this is very important and we track.
Yeah.
Since we started till now, how much we are spending on that?
Yeah, I show you.
Yes.
Then you have a travel communication per diems while traveling, other expenses.
What's that? Where?
Per diem.
What it means?
Means.
It's French, more, not English.
Oh.
Right?
Per diem. This is like if you are sending a person to Butare, the fees you give to that person, it's called per diem.
Ah, okay. And it's like Monday expenses. Can we say Monday expenses? No, this is French for us.
Yeah.
We don't know what this means.
Okay. Travel
Say for example, we call it, what is it? Monday expenses. So?
Yeah, but in accounting code this one, we shall know what to put there because
Okay.
I've seen this from the manual we have. It's called per diems.
Okay.
Then other travel expenses, like let's say someone is using a motor or those like the small
we have a lot
motor
of this.
yeah. Vehicle rent if you have rent, vehicle fuel, then vehicle others. Actually, we need to have these are specific.
Yeah, these
for
can't
vehicles.
these and these go together, rental paid and fuel cost. Or?
No,
Oh, okay.
because
لا fuel car for
No.
car.
Oh.
زي now for car last time
Mhm.
you told me just put $100 in my car. I give you the receipt
if you are considered that vehicle to be
because I go and come here. It's only for
Yes.
this car supposed to be for the institute. I will buy another car.
yes.
Once we start directly, I will buy. Once we feel we're comfortable with the country, we will buy cars because we need.
Yes.
We know we need cars
Any
for reaching.
fuel you use that goes for daily operating activities
Yes.
should come here.
Then now I throw on the receipt. What you'll do? I just thrown it yesterday because you told me last time that this is you or the accountants said this is no use.
No.
I used to wait. I sit for the petrol station to get the EPM.
Yeah.
Me and my wife. Now we are not doing that. خلاص, this we stop that. But
Yeah.
if you want us, we can do that. Yeah, if it makes
No,
it
what we
worse.
shall do, I think you should have a petrol station where you are using
Specific one, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we buy bonds.
Okay.
The big name. That will be easy to record.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one you can arrange for us.
Yeah. Then the vehicle, this others. So we go to.
You know the one which is after RDB. This is the one I'm using.
Okay.
You know that, no?
Yeah, I know.
Very
Other expenses.
good.
We have interest expenses.
Means
This is like, let's say we are getting around. It may be in the future. Yeah, anytime in the future.
You mean like for a visit, now we'll have what we call exploratory visits, means we'll visit other places to see projects. Is this under this, you mean?
No.
No.
This is like this bank checks, interest in the bank.
This is interest or interest?
Interest. Oh,
Interest,
okay, I'll change.
right?
Yeah.
Interest expenses means?
We have when you pay bank
We
checks.
are taking loan.
Yeah. If you're taking loan.
Okay, inshallah.
We have again in the rules on investments. I'm supposing we shall do investments. Have a credit card. Maybe you shall get
Yes.
a credit card.
Yes.
We have training and meetings.
Okay.
Subscriptions, like for books,
Yes, you will have.
books and publications.
Right.
Then audit fees. This is under other expenses. We may decide and bring one from this to this one, by categories.
Okay.
Then the last one is business expenses, where we have taxes, insurance expenses. Yeah, these are.
Okay, and if there is enough not covered, that you'll add it more later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To add, you can add.
Okay.
But if you because to be able to record transaction in the financial software, it's a must that we should have this one. I'm
Okay.
wondering how those guys were recording the transactions. Yeah.
How they were expensive.
It's very important to the
هو الحين but you need to also sit down with Herwa and Isa to tell them what you expect from them.
Yeah.
Okay. And this relevant to this area.
Yes. Then this index from the narrative, you shall have this one. Asset overview.
Okay.
You shall have year-to-date asset overview. I shall
Asset overview means like
summary
value of the
yes,
assets.
environment.
Okay.
Let's go to this one.
Including the building, for example.
Yes. Let's go to this is the format. This format is an asset overview. Anytime you want to check your asset, you come to this one. You have buildings, then building renovation, total buildings. You see? Then this is acquisition cost. This is accumulated depreciation for that one.
Yeah.
This is the balance, written down the value. That means it's the acquisition minus
This. Okay.
this one.
Nice. This is what I want.
Yes.
Exactly.
Then, because this will be by monthly reporting, this column will show current month acquisitions, the new ones.
Okay.
Then you have total for assets. It will be, this one will show by categories: vehicles, furniture, fixtures, computers, equipment. These are the one I've tried to imagine. I need to complete it by.
Okay, the books also.
Yeah, the books will come. You see, I added this one. Then this is an asset. It will come from where? The figures from this one.
Okay.
We have year-to-date asset acquisitions here.
Means
This-
new ones.
No, yeah, this will show you how we shall. For the financial year. This one comes from January to December.
Okay.
You shall know which asset we have bought in January.
These are actual now. These are actual.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
4 assets are not included.
Okay.
Then this is the building, the same categories as here, but it will be showing by every month. If you are in November, you shall know exactly what you have done in January or in February, anything. Then this
Also, this will help us to control the budget. Instead,
Yes.
just I am one of the bad things about me, and I will continue, for example, computers like this and so on. But is this what we need, or there is maybe something else already? Sometime, if I don't have a guide, for example, you might say printers now more important, okay, or desktop more important than laptops. What from this we can know.
Yeah, actually there is a sheet I've not included because we don't have a budget, the BVA, where we
لا but this is what the idea. You have احنا
that
what
one.
I think is I want from you that خلاص now we have a budget, we have some history
Yeah.
which can help us to predict little bit.
Yes. Yes.
next year will be better also.
Yes.
inshallah. Yeah.
Because if you have enough assets, like for computers, for the coming year we shall not budget for that one. Then we shall not we concentrate on other things.
Yes. And budget for the year after.
Yeah.
Then the depreciation will be
Yes.
fast.
Once I'm still on assets, I want to show you the asset register. Asset register, because this information I have here will be picked from the asset register form. This is the asset register. From the asset register, I want it to be fixed this way. This is the building, vehicles, the same categories. But now here we have details for each and every asset. Like for that telephone, we shall put a code for it.
For equipment, it will
Yes.
be other one.
Yes.
We need a fourth one.
Yes. You see, we shall have the asset code.
Yes.
We shall have a serial number if you have any.
Yes.
We shall have quantity, like for this chair.
Yes.
We have similar
Yes,
rate.
yes.
Let's
Well, the good thing, the details of this we have, but now you need someone
Yeah.
who to fill it for you, or you fill it. يعني,
I shall try and get those form in
Yeah.
here.
Already
Then-
have it in Excel sheet.
We have then the description. We have the start date. This is very important.
What's that?
Start date.
Start,
Because
yes.
from
For
this-
depreciation.
Yes, for depreciation. We have start that. Then you have the depreciation rate. We have the cost. For the cost, here we shall get it from where? Let's say acquisition information from this sheet. Like for that phone, we have the currency. We should know the currency the asset were bought from. Then we should put the amount of that currency. We should put the rate, then the equivalent in Rwandan franc, because this equivalent is this amount here will be the one coming to the cost that we shall use for depreciation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we shall have
And we buy in dollar or we buy in
anything because
dirham or BD.
in anything
Yeah.
because here shall not it's this is USD, this is any currency. Yeah, if you USD, euro, what,
Okay.
then the amount that will be on invoice, then the rate here shall be different from the one here if this is in this currency or in this one. Then you get the amount in Rwandan franc.
Yes.
This should be supported by the invoice here. Yeah. Then we have the cost, the same amount here. We shall get it from here. This one. Then we have the accumulated depreciation. Let's say after 2 years, for a vehicle, I bought it on this amount. Income statement. These figures are real up to August. I've tried to incorporate all the
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see,
And how much we spent now till August?
till August.
From
Actually,
since we started.
I've not checked every receipt, but I've included what they have put in.
Yeah, okay, no
reports.
problem. How much approximately? And I
One
want them
from-
to be near me, yani it's not far from me. How much we reach now?
Like 140.
يعني then I want to estimate, for example, annually, I know we'll have at least two the expenses.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the income. Okay. This has come from founder plus others, right? So money generation.
Yes.
We have a money generation team. So for that I want to make sure, for example now, and this by the way I have it. I think you've seen it when I explained to you. This now, for example, in 2024, now it's come 2023, 100% from the founder.
Yeah.
Okay. In 2024 we'll say no, it will be 90% from the founder. Okay, then money generation team, they will bring 10%.
Okay.
For example.
Yeah.
Okay, or maybe not money generation team, maybe we can say if we are accredited model, 70% from founder, 20% from the registration, and 10% from 10% yes from the money generation team. Okay. Now this is where this planning, if we do it, if we know what we are doing, we will be our hit rate. You know the hit rate, right?
Yeah.
يعني how much accurate we are, it will be better over time.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we are okay. We're investing a lot in these things, but now it's good. And we are small.
Yeah.
Once we come, as Dr. Dunya, I think she told you, once we have too many transaction later, it will be difficult. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Money generation will be 20%,
Okay.
and then the other income come from others like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.